Nokia 2780 flip phone debuts with Qualcomm processor. All details. HMD Global-owned Nokia has launched a new feature phone with the clamshell design. Dubbed Nokia 2780 Flip, the phone comes with support for FM radio and is offered in two color options. It features T9 keyboard design and offers 4G Volt connectivity. The all-new Nokia feature phone is available in the US at present. The company has not revealed whether the handset will be available in other markets. Nokia 2780 Flip price. The Nokia 2780 Flip comes with a price tag of $89.99, which roughly translates to 7,400 rupees. Buyers can choose from blue and red color variants of the device. As per Nokia US website, the phone's estimated shipping date is November 7th. Nokia 2780 specifications. Nokia 2780 Flip phone has a clamshell design and features dual screens. On the back cover, there is a 1.77-inch TFT display, while the phone's main screen measures 2.7-inch TFT screen. The handset comes powered by Qualcomm Snapdragon 214 processor, offering a peak downlink of 150 megabits per second. For optics, the feature phone comes with a 5 megapixels camera on the rear with fixed focus and LED flash. Nokia 2780 Flip comes with FM radio and MP3 support along with Wi-Fi 802.11b per gram, N connectivity. The device is equipped with 4 GB of RAM and has 512 MB of internal storage. The feature phone comes with single SIM support and has a USB Type-C port for charging. The device runs on the iOS operating system that supports WhatsApp. Meanwhile, the company has reintroduced the Nokia 2660 Flip phone in India. The phone offers dual screen, a top small screen and a secondary large display that remains hidden until flipped forward. There is also a T9 keyboard on the feature phone. Nokia 2660 Flip feature phone carries a price tag of 4,699 rupees. It is offered in blue, black and red color options. It is equipped with a 2.8-inch inner display and houses a 1450 mAh battery. Nokia claims that the feature phone can deliver hours of battery life on a single charge. The feature phone also features the iconic Snake game and wireless radio connection.